Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the PC's Bluetooth adapter is active. Check Device Manager or a hardware switch. Once done, power the speaker and put it into pairing mode so it broadcasts its name. Next, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and toggle Bluetooth on. Choose Add Device. You do this now because an active adapter plus visible speaker are required for discovery. This aligns the PC and speaker, so they can exchange pairing information securely and proceed to connect. You should select the speaker from the list of discovered devices and confirm any PIN or pairing prompt. Doing so establishes a trusted link. Once paired, go to Sound Settings and set the speaker as the default output so all audio routes correctly. If audio sounds off, open Device Properties to adjust sample rate or disable enhancements, because mismatched formats cause clicks or lag. Make sure to close apps that hold exclusive audio control so Windows can switch outputs without errors. You finish by testing playback and balancing volume between the PC and speaker. Set both below maximum to avoid distortion. If the link drops or stutters, repair the device and update Bluetooth drivers, and restart the Bluetooth service, because driver or service issues often cause instability. Also check for interference from Wi-Fi or USB 3.0 ports and move the speaker closer to the PC for a stronger signal. If pairing repeatedly fails, clear the speaker from Bluetooth devices and try pairing from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.